In this video, I'm going to show you how to import information into Tally accounts using the CSV Importer. Firstly, on the left hand side of the screen, all you need to do is click into Settings. Once you're in Settings, under the Your Accounts section, just click on Import Data. Once you've clicked Import Data, all you need to do is click on Import CSV Files. Once in here, all you need to do is enter your username and your password for your account. Once you click Login, you will see here that I'm logged in. So my username is displayed, and then all I need to do is just keep the CSV button highlighted and click Next. So we can import bank transactions, customers, invoices, invoice payments, purchases, purchase payments, journals, suppliers, nominal codes and product codes directly in to Tally accounts from any kind of Excel based workbook. So I'm going to import some customers. So all I do is click on customers and then click Next. I then need to go choose a file. So all I do is go to my desktop and find my my files in here. I've got a list of my customers. So I click on my customers and then click Upload. So here is a list of all my 51 customers in here. So all I need to do is make sure that the right heading is going to the right place in my Tally accounts. So this is the customer code. So I just have to choose code from the drop down list. There's the customer's name. There's their contact name, their mobile number, their email address. The more information you've got, the more it will populate the customer record, but you can just put whatever information that you do have in here and it will create the account. I've ignored a couple of columns in here because that's their first and last name, where I only want to import their contact name. Once I've matched those files at the top, all I need to do is click Import, and we will see that that request has been successful. And if we go back into our Tally accounts, if we go to customers, we'll now see all of my 50 customers have been imported directly in. And if I click into a customer record, we can now see all the information that was on that CSV template has been brought straight through to the customer record. That's the quickest way to import these types of information. If I return to the import screen again, we can just go and import our suppliers. So if I click on Next for our suppliers, choose my file, I've got a full list of my suppliers in here, and then I can just click Upload, and again we can just go and map. So that's the supplier code, so we can choose that from here. We do have these templates on our website, so you can just go and download these, and all you need to do, if you download the right template, if I just click my first row contains column headings, we can see that the right codes have been mapped to the right place within the system. We can make any changes that we need to, and once we're happy that that's all mapped, I can just go and click Import, and that's now imported those suppliers for me. So if we now go through to our suppliers on the left hand side, all my suppliers are now listed within the system. If we had our bank statement in a CSV format, then I can come and just say bank transactions, click Next, choose the file, and then we can just come in here and say I've got my bank transactions, hit Upload, and here's my bank statement that's been exported from my banking. I've then got my transaction date, whether it's money in or money out, or you might just have a value column, and a description of what that transaction is. So that's just the comment. I've got 372 transactions. I can just click Import. That's going to whiz away and it's going to import all of those transactions for me. So if we go back into Tally accounts, click into the bank area on the left hand side, you'll now see my bank balance has changed. So if I go and view these transactions that I've imported back from 2015 and hit go, we will now see all of my transactions are listed. All that information that was on there has come through. Because I've exported it from my bank, it doesn't actually know where to post these things to. So it's got the comment in here there that's come through from the statement. But if I just click into that transaction, I can just amend the code that needs to be posted to. So that's train. So I can just go and adjust that to travel. And then if VAT needs to be applied, I can then go apply the VAT and update. And that will just update that, and we can now see it's been posted to travel. So we can amend all of those transactions once we've imported our bank statement, but the balance is going to be correct because we've imported it from that statement we've exported from our bank. And then we can import various other things. Like I said, if you've got stock records, you can import all your stock and everything like that. So that's how easy it is to use the CSV importer to import information into Tally accounts.